Indian and Asian Food Express 24 into 7 door-to-door delivery service. What's special in our Food Express? As we know, there are problems of corona happening due to which most of the cities, most of the states have been locked down. So Indian Food and Asian Food Express can be a great channel in delivering food. What are the objectives? The main objective of Indian and Asian Food Express is to develop an excellent brand image, thereby providing the customer with high quality food experience at an affordable price. To provide different varieties of Indian and Asian food, to empower and recruit more and more people for better service, to offer 24 into 7 door-to-door delivery service and online services. The most important of them is to enhance the sales revenue for the company by 10% by the end of second. Vision and mission. Vision. The vision of Indian and Asian Food Express is to seek the attention of customers who remain busy in their working schedule, providing them with superior quality of food products delivered at their doorstep. The company is committed towards efficiency and sustainability in the Australian food service sector. Mission: to make sure that each customer is offered with and receives professional, courteous, prompt, and friendly services. To maintain hygiene, cleanliness at the time of preparing foods. To offer foods at fair price which are enough nutritious using quality food and ingredients. To provide fine quality food experience delivered at the doorstep. Customer relationships. Our main aim is customer acquisition, customer retention, and boosting sales by gaining customers' trust. We provide more offers, discounts, and nominal price as compared to other competitors. The trust definition for us is: T stands for timely delivery, R for reasonable price, U for unique product, S for supremacy with respect to customers, T for taste which no one else can provide. Our channels include company's website, telephone orders, Uber Eats, Zomato. Customer segment. University students, we have offers and there is discount which we will provide for the university students, especially during examination time. Students prefer to order food from outside. Families including all age groups. Within families also sometimes the cook wants some rest and for a change they also prefer to eat something from outside. Working bachelors within age group of 18 to 35, since those people don't get time from their busy work routine and due to their tiring jobs, they always prefer to order food either online or food which can come to their doorsteps. People working in night shift and hospital staffs, example doctors and nurses, since they have late night shifts, providing 24 into 7 service for delivery will help to order food at any time they want. Value proposition. We provide services, features which makes our products superior and attractive as compared to other competitive companies. Some of them are described below. Cheap Tuesday offers, 50% flat off on all prices for Tuesday sales. Guaranteed on time 24 into 7 hour delivery within 45 minutes. If the delivery reaches late, then the customer doesn't have to pay for anything. Guaranteed quality. If the customer is not satisfied with the order delivered, either there will be a refund or the next order would be a free order for customer. We have festival discounts. Example, New Year, 30% off during festival season. We have uni discounts, 10% off for all university students. For order above $50, free drink or free dessert. Revenue stream. Transaction based earning. This revenue will be generated from sales happening for product. It generally involves one time customer payment. We have service revenue. This revenue will be generated due to service. Example, delivery or transportation charges. Our key partners are Uber Eats, Menulog, TripAdvisor, Zomato, Airbnb, local council which had to get trading license for business, Coles, Woolworths, Indian Aroma Grocery and Spice Shop. Real estate agents who will help to provide shop for lease. Revenue stream we discussed. Cost structure. Groceries including cooking oil, utensils, essential raw materials like onions, tomatoes, chicken and beef. Cost of shop lease and cost including for cold storage room, electricity charges, cost for advertisement, cost to some other delivery online vendors, providing insurance for vehicle and cost of petrol to delivery people, app and website making charges from external parties. Insurances. The owner of the Indian and Asian Food Express Company has included a business package worth of Australian dollar 500 per year. This comprises of employer's liability insurance, business interruption, public liability insurance, machinery breakdown, damage to building, burglary and money. So we have insurance for all these things. Risk management, we have a matrix for handling various type of risks. The risks which can occur are food poisoning, sudden fire, theft, natural disaster, staff injury, lack of supplies, and we have the measures as well for controlling it. So these are the measures. For food poisoning, we have checking the food system using the HACCP procedures, sudden fire, installing fire alarms, installing smoke detectors, installing fire extinguisher. For theft, we have CCTV cameras installed. For natural disaster, we have exit signs which are placed. Staff injury, we have business package insurance which staff has to sign it. We have first aids which we have installed in the restaurants. And our action plan. Our action plan, we have, as you can see, it has been categorized into different types. Our action plan includes reviewing the insurance, completing the due diligence, checking if HACCP and SCIA has been conducted, checking if the supplier contract has been carried out, checking if the agreement between delivery joints have been had, preparing financial budget, handling over the financial projections, reviewing the plan. And we have the initiation date, we have the follow-up date, we have different people who are responsible for handling different actions, we have the deadlines, we have the outcomes also which we have predicted. And last section describes about the budget. Thanks, that's all for my business pitch.